Hello car owners, are you in a market for a new dash cam for your car and safety? Then you have come to the right place. In this video, we are going to look at some of the best dash cams in 2024. Links to the products you can find in the video description or comments below. Let's get started. Number 5 on the list is Nextbase 622GW. This sleek and feature-packed device has garnered quite a reputation among drivers. Imagine having a trusty co-pilot that never takes its eyes off the road. That's the Nextbase 622GW for you. First off, let's talk about video quality. This little gadget packs a punch with its 4K Ultra HD resolution. It's like having a mini Hollywood director right on your dashboard. Whether you're cruising along scenic routes or navigating through bustling city streets, the 622GW captures every detail with stunning clarity. But it's not just about the resolution. It's also about capturing the entire scene. With its wide-angle lens, this dash cam ensures that nothing escapes its view. Say goodbye to those pesky blind spots. Plus, with its innovative polarizing filter, you can bid farewell to annoying glare and reflections, giving you crystal-clear footage even on the brightest of days. Now, let's talk about safety features, because let's face it, that's what really matters when you're out on the road. The Nextbase 622GW is like having a guardian angel watching over you. It comes equipped with intelligent parking mode, which detects any bumps or movements around your parked car, and automatically starts recording. So, whether it's a curious passerby or a mischievous squirrel, you'll have all the evidence you need. And here's where things get really cool. The 622GW isn't just a passive observer. It's a proactive assistant. With its built-in Alexa integration, you can control your dash cam with simple voice commands. Need to save a clip? Just ask Alexa. Want to check the weather? Alexa's got you covered. It's like having your own personal assistant right there in your car. But wait, there's more. The Nextbase 622GW also comes with GPS tracking, so you can keep tabs on your speed and location at all times. And with its emergency SOS feature, you can rest assured knowing that help is just a button press away in case of an accident. In summary, the Nextbase 622GW is not just a dash cam, it's a reliable companion for every journey. With its top-notch video quality, advanced safety features, and intuitive controls, it's the ultimate tool for capturing life on the road and keeping you safe while you're at it. Number 4 on the list is Nexar Pro. Think of the Nexar Pro as your trusty road companion, always ready to capture the action and keep you safe on your travels. First things first, let's talk about video quality. The Nexar Pro doesn't disappoint in this department, offering crisp and clear 1080p Full HD resolution. Whether you're driving through bright sunlight or navigating dimly lit streets at night, this dash cam ensures that every detail is captured with impressive clarity. But what sets the Nexar Pro apart from the competition is its smart features. This dash cam isn't just a passive recorder, it's a proactive assistant. With its built-in AI algorithms, the Nexar Pro can detect and alert you to potential hazards on the road, such as sudden braking or lane departure. It's like having a second pair of eyes watching out for you at all times. But that's not all. The Nexar Pro goes above and beyond with its advanced connectivity options. By pairing with the Nexar app on your smartphone, you can access a whole host of additional features, including real-time GPS tracking, automatic cloud backup of your footage, and even community-sourced alerts about road conditions and hazards ahead. And here's the best part. The Nexar Pro isn't just about safety, it's also about convenience. With its seamless integration with popular navigation apps like Google Maps and Waze, you can easily overlay your dash cam footage onto your route, giving you valuable context about your journey. But perhaps the most impressive feature of the Nexar Pro is its ability to provide valuable insights into your driving habits. By analyzing your driving patterns and behavior, this dash cam can offer personalized feedback and tips for improving your skills behind the wheel. It's like having your own virtual driving instructor right in your car. In summary, the Nexar Pro is more than just a dash cam. It's a sophisticated tool for enhancing your driving experience and keeping you safe on the road. With its advanced features, smart connectivity options, and user-friendly interface, it's the perfect companion for drivers who demand the best. Next up, number 3 on the list is Vantrue S1. Let's delve into the Vantrue S1, a versatile and reliable dash cam designed to capture every moment of your journey with clarity and precision. The Vantrue S1 is like having a vigilant guardian watching over your vehicle, ensuring that you have the evidence you need in case of any incidents on the road. First off, let's talk about video quality. The Vantrue S1 boasts stunning 2.5K resolution, delivering crisp and detailed footage of your surroundings. Whether you're driving through scenic landscapes or navigating busy city streets, this dashcam ensures that every detail is captured with remarkable clarity and accuracy. But what truly sets the Vantrue S1 apart is its dual-channel recording capability. With both front and rear cameras, you can enjoy comprehensive coverage of your vehicle's surroundings from all angles. Say goodbye to blind spots and hello to peace of mind, knowing that you're fully protected on the road. But it's not just about recording video. The Vantrue S1 also comes equipped with a host of advanced features to enhance your driving experience. With its built-in GPS module, you can track your speed and location in real time, allowing you to review your routes and driving habits with ease. Plus, with its innovative parking mode, the Vantrue S1 can detect any motion or impact around your parked vehicle and automatically start recording, ensuring that you have all the evidence you need in case of any incidents or accidents. But perhaps the most impressive feature of the Vantrue S1 is its rugged and durable design. With its sleek and compact form factor, this dashcam seamlessly blends into your vehicle's interior, while still offering robust protection against the elements. Whether you're driving through scorching heat or freezing cold, the Vantrue S1 is built to withstand the toughest conditions. In summary, the Vantrue S1 is more than just a dashcam. It's a reliable companion for every journey, providing you with peace of mind and protection on the road. With its exceptional video quality, advanced features, and rugged design, it's the perfect choice for drivers who demand nothing but the best. Number 2 on the list is THINKWARE X1000, a cutting-edge dashcam designed to elevate your driving experience with its advanced features and superior performance. The THINKWARE X1000 sets the bar high with its stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution. Whether you're capturing scenic landscapes or navigating through challenging driving conditions, this dashcam delivers unparalleled clarity and detail, ensuring that every moment is captured with cinematic precision. But the THINKWARE X1000 doesn't just stop at video quality. It also offers a wide range of innovative features to enhance your driving experience. One standout feature is its Super Night Vision 3.0 technology, which utilizes advanced image processing algorithms to capture clear and vivid footage even in low-light conditions. Say goodbye to grainy and blurry nighttime footage. With the THINKWARE X1000, you can drive with confidence day or night. Another impressive feature of the THINKWARE X1000 is its comprehensive safety alert system. Equipped with built-in ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, technology, this dashcam provides real-time alerts for potential hazards on the road, such as lane departure warnings and forward collision warnings. It's like having an extra set of eyes watching out for you at all times, helping you stay safe and vigilant behind the wheel. But perhaps one of the most exciting features of the THINKWARE X1000 is its cloud connectivity capabilities. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, you can easily access and manage your dashcam footage from anywhere using the THINKWARE Cloud app. Whether you're reviewing your footage, checking your driving routes, or remotely accessing your dashcam settings, the THINKWARE X1000 puts control right at your fingertips. In summary, the THINKWARE X1000 is more than just a dashcam. It's a sophisticated driving companion that offers unparalleled performance, safety, and convenience. With its 4K Ultra HD resolution, advanced safety alerts, cloud connectivity, and sleek design, it's the perfect choice for drivers who demand the very best. And lastly, number 1 on the list is Cobra SC400D, a reliable and budget-friendly dashcam option that offers essential features to keep you safe on the road. The Cobra SC400D may not boast the highest resolution or the most advanced technology, but it's a solid choice for drivers looking for a simple and effective dashcam solution. First off, let's talk about video quality. The Cobra SC400D records in crisp and clear 1080p Full HD resolution, ensuring that you capture important details like license plates and road signs with decent clarity. While it may not offer the same level of detail as higher-end models, it gets the job done for everyday recording needs. One of the standout features of the Cobra SC400D is its wide-angle lens, which provides a broad field of view to capture more of your surroundings. This is particularly useful for recording incidents that occur off to the sides of your vehicle, ensuring that you have comprehensive coverage in case of any accidents or disputes. In terms of safety features, the Cobra SC400D comes equipped with a G sensor that detects sudden movements or impacts and automatically saves the footage to a separate folder, protecting it from being overwritten. While it lacks some of the more advanced safety alerts found in higher-end models, this basic feature provides an extra layer of protection in the event of a collision. Another noteworthy aspect of the Cobra SC400D is its ease of use. The dashcam is straightforward to set up and operate, with intuitive controls and a user-friendly interface. It also comes with a handy suction cup mount, allowing you to easily attach and adjust the camera to your windshield without any hassle. While the Cobra SC400D may not offer all the bells and whistles of more expensive dashcams, it provides reliable performance at an affordable price point. If you're looking for a no-frills dashcam that gets the job done without breaking the bank, the Cobra SC400D is worth considering for your vehicle. That's it on our journey about some of the best dashcams in 2024. If you liked the video, make sure to press the like button, leave a feedback in the comment section, and subscribe to receive updates about new videos. See you next time.